Hi, I'm Rimu Chaudhary. Now we can watch how can make 3D text on Photoshop. So open a new page like Adobe Photoshop default page and click OK and apply here some color like this color. Just pen bucket and click, and now type here something text, white color text like 3D, and okay, just expand this text and because need a large text, so I expand it. Okay, go to the normal to overlay and double click on 3D layer and go to drop shadow. Now uncheck this layer knockout drop shadow and OK, and just type Ctrl on your keyboard and click the text icon and go to select menu and modify expand and type here 2 and click OK and go to marquee tools. Just one type down key and right key and go to the edit menu and copy mask, and now click this eye icon and go again edit menu and paste here. Okay, now double click on layer 1 and select drop shadow, again click OK. Okay, this is a 3D text. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to many Adobe Photoshop tutorials, you can subscribe here. Thank you.